Here's how to do a backside heel flip on a fingerboard. But first, let's start off with the finger position. So for the backside heel flip, you want to place your index finger just below the bolts near the edge of the board. And for the middle finger, you can place it either at the center of the tail or the pocket of the tail. Just go with whatever feels more comfortable for you. And this is my placement for a backside heel flip. Now you get the finger position down, let's proceed to the next step. So when it comes to this trick, you want to pop or snap the tail down just like you would for a backside 180 ollie. At this point, by popping the tail off the board using the same motion and timing as you would when you're doing a backside ollie, because these techniques feel similar on that same setup when you're doing a backside heel flip. So right after you snap the tail down, that's when you flick your index finger towards the nose pocket of the board, just like I taught you in my previous tutorial on the regular heel flip. So as the boards begin to rotate in the air, that's when you start to twist your wrist in a backside direction. At this point, you want to follow through by turning your wrist into backside direction to guide the rotation more natural and style-looking trick to your backside heel flip. Once the board has fully completed the rotation in the air, you're going to catch it with your both fingers. You want to wait until the trick has fully spun, catch it with your both fingers, land it and roll away smoothly. Now, if you're still having a hard time landing a backside heel flip, a helpful technique is to start by practicing a regular heel flip first. Once you've landed the heel flip, then you can add the backside rotation by reverting or pivoting the board on the ground. Because from my experience, this will help you to get comfortable with the motion step by step instead of trying to spin everything in mid-air right away. Alright, so remember, let's take a little recap. Pop the tail down first like a backside ollie, then flick with your index finger towards the nose pocket of the board, then you want to turn your wrist into a backside direction. After the board finishes rotating in the air, catch it with your both fingers, land it and roll away. It's all about that perfect timing. Well, there you have it. I hope this trick tip helps you. I'll see you in the next video, and remember, taught that to you. Itachi Han. You're welcome.